I was doing some studying in the scriptures and I came across Genesis 3:16 in the New Living Translation. And it says very clearly that a woman's desire will be to control her husband, but he will have to rule over her. This came after the punishment of mankind's fall. The thing I looked at it, was it a punishment or was it a GPS plan? Because the first thing God asked Adam when he fell was, where are you? When we get into arguments sometimes as couples, it's like we lose our way. We don't know where we are. There has been many times my wife and I have had arguments and we've wondered, how did we get here? But if I stay in the position of being a husband and she stays in the position of being a wife, we're in the garden. When I fall back and regress to being a man and she falls back, regress to being a woman, well, we've lost our way. We're not submitted to Christ. Because here's the beautiful thing. Ephesians 5:21 says, submit ye one to another out of reverence for Christ. That's a beautiful thing. Equal submission, not just I'm the head, you submit, but I submit everything that I have to you through Christ out of reverence for him. You submit everything that you have for me through Christ out of reverence for him. Oh, that's a beautiful plan. And I can tell you, it works. It works. The struggle is learning to let go of the world's mindset to take on a spiritual, Holy Spirit-led mindset. It's doable. If you do it, oh man, marriage gets a lot easier. And I know that sounds crazy, but it gets a lot easier because the arguments, they're not arguments. They may be tough conversations. They may take a little while longer than they normally take, but your heart posture is to remain as one flesh and please Christ. The question is this: do you want to have control or do you want to stay in the garden? You say what? I'm staying in the garden. I'm staying in the garden.